Hello everyone, my name is Faye. I'm the owner of Faye Smith Agency. We're one of Canada's largest hair and makeup artist agencies, and I am here today to show you how to create some beautiful, bold, fluffy eyebrows with just technically three products. Okay, so I am going to wet my spoolie and I'm going to be rubbing it in the brow soap and brushing this into my brows. It's my step one. Rather than using water, I do really like to use a setting spray. Any setting spray can work, but I am a fan of the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. Okay, so I'm just literally going to brush this brow soap through my brow hairs, brushing in the direction that the hairs are growing. So I'm brushing upwards here, and then I'm starting to come at a diagonal over here. And this is just making it so that I can really, you know, spread out my brow hairs and maximize what I've got. Fluffy brows are really in. Okay, so now I'm gonna take that small precision brow pencil and I'm gonna draw a line at the bottom, horizontal across the bottom of my brow. And I did just get my brows done, so I do have a good base to work with here. It is easier if you do get your brows shaped. If you're in Vancouver, then it is truly the best. Okay, so now I'm gonna go from my horizontal line here and I'm gonna switch it to vertical, and I'm just gonna do little brush strokes going upwards, and again following the directions that my hairs naturally grow. So I'm going upwards here and kind of starting to go a bit of a diagonal as I go over to the end. Perfect. That's step two. Okay, so the next step is to go back to your spoolie and brush those strokes through. We do want it to look like little hair strokes, but we don't want it to look like you just drew on little hair strokes. So brushing that product through the brows just makes it look more natural, and just make sure that they're nice and even. If you need to touch anything up, go for it. Very crisp underneath here. Make sure you're nice and even and there's no funny gaps. So there you have it. Those are my fluffy eyebrows, nice and bushy and big, natural looking but also defined, using three products. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and that you learned something today. If you would like to buy any of the beauty cosmetics, you can check out this link below and make sure to subscribe.